Hey, what's up, Pyros? I'm doing a quick little stash update / unboxing of this TNT fireworks mega star. Retail value $362, that's what it says. Actually, my cousin brought this from Arizona for me. It was 99 bucks. It's a pretty big box, has a lot of stuff in it. You know, this is all safe and sane stuff. You know, I'm gonna kind of just burn in between all the other stuff that I'm burning, just for the same fact that, you know, we are in California. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this video. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and here we go. It comes in two separate packages. We will start with these right here. It's pretty much mainly fountains, and we will get started. Jump right into this video. But it's a good amount of fireworks. We'll count them all off once I'm done making the video. But for $100, like I said, very good amount of stuff in the pack. We'll start here. It's got a pyro fire. It says TNT exclusive. Emits showers of sparks, you know, general fountain there. It has global lights from TNT. These all have the glow fuse, or some of them do as well, I guess. You know, another safe and sane firework. These are all safe and sane, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that already. We have a blazing rebel. Rain shower, Mr. Crackle, a pyro fan, a Dixie dust, unglued. These all feel pretty light, so like I said, these are just going to be fillers. A tripping daisy, a recess, pretty cool little artwork on that one. A Trojan warrior. That's one thing, you know, they have pretty good artwork on them. It's a pretty small one, a little June bug. It's got a 1, 2, 3 go. A sparkling glory, a little 5-piece flashing fountain. I remember these from back in the day. Very small, little quick, second or two, very little fountains. They come with a pack of 4 7-inch fountains. Mad Dog. These actually have pretty cool artwork. I'll go ahead and open these up. You got your Doberman. 2 dogs fighting. I guess they like dog fights. Joking. Bulldog and a Mad Dog. So like I said, 4 cool little pack, I guess you would say, of fountains. That does it for the first box. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this here, and then I'll do a final full view of all the fireworks. So that was the first packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the second packaging. This is the one that's pretty heavy. It has really big fountains in it. And like I said, this box is pretty big, a very big size. It's probably a good 4 foot or so. Let's get to it. Comes with an enemies. That might be like a John Wayne Western fountain. burning with the dazzle. A half pint. Pretty cool looking cake for all you beer drinkers out there. Comes with the Starfire. A lot of these say exclusive. I really don't know if they're exclusive, but for some reason it says. This is actually pretty heavy. A Star Master. This is one of the only ones that seems heavy. It emits showers of spark. Emits showers of spark. Performance color for glitter, sparkle, and rain with crackle. Then it comes with the Rain Dance, a nice little box fountain. Comes with another recess, so I guess we get 2 recesses there, and 2 Trojan Warriors. Another flashing fountain, so I get 2 of those. It comes with a lightning flash. I would say these are like the little strobe. 6 pieces, 2 boxes. So, or whoa, well, this one has 4 and this one has 6. The boxes look different, so they might be different effects. This one's pretty heavy. It comes with the Radiant from TNT. Nice box fountain. And then it comes with another matching looking one that says Combustion Chamber. A Brain Freeze. These actually have pretty cool art on them. It also comes with the Piñata Buster. I guess it's a Cinco de Mayo. For all you know, you Hispanics out there, which that's me. A Dancing Sombreros. I guess they're sticking to the Cinco de Mayo theme on these few of them. A Pyroglastic. And then these 2 are the biggest fountains that come in the pack. Very, very heavy. A Miss Liberty fountain. Compared to, you know, the rest of them, it's a good size. It looks almost like the size of a 2-liter of a soda. And then it comes with another one that says TNT Grand Celebration. So we got that there. So pretty much in this whole box, you get all of this stuff, which is a good amount, I would say, to get your night started. Like I said, check my other stash update. I have a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be lighting off. So this is just the stuff that we're gonna light in between for the children. And I'm gonna go ahead and count this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So it comes with a total of 39 pieces, which, like I said, for $100, I would say it's fair. Very big assortment. And like I said, it's pretty much mainly fountains, which is something that I wanted because, you know, I have a lot of the mortars and bottle rocket racks in my other videos and cake. So this will be a little fun. It'll keep us safe for a while. So pretty much everybody enjoy your 4th of July. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I appreciate it. I've got a good amount of followers. I got a little over 100 now. So I'm going to do a 100 follower giveaway. And I will actually be putting it up here right after this video. I'm going to be giving you guys, you know, a nice little torchlight or some fuse. So make sure to keep up for that. And I'll post the rules on there. And we'll go from there. I'll try to get it to you before the 4th of July. It's going to be a one-day thing, so I will pick out the winner first thing Saturday morning and get it shipped out. Have a good night, Pyros. Make sure to like, follow, share, subscribe, and see you guys on the 4th.